Prepare 2 flowers of the same kind. We will use lily flower in this video. Examine the external features of the flowers. Note the color of the sepals and petals. Count the number of sepals, petals, stamens and carpels of one of the flowers. Detach all the floral parts one by one with a pair of forceps and a pair of scissors. Display the floral parts on a piece of paper. Observe and identify different parts of the flower. Draw labeled diagrams of them. Touch the anther with the sticky side of a piece of sticky tape. Stick the piece of sticky tape with pollen grains onto a slide. Observe the slide with a microscope under high-power magnification. Draw a labeled high-power diagram of the pollen grains. Use a razor blade to cut open the carpel of one flower longitudinally into 2 halves. Cut open the carpel of another flower transversely near the center. Use a hand lens to examine how the ovules are attached to the ovary wall. Draw labeled diagrams to show the longitudinal and transverse sections of the carpel.